Actually, I think video.
That's exciting.
We're getting pictures, Mom. All right, so this is for Oso now. So let's sing. He's a jolly good fellow. No, okay. Let's just see. Oso, go! You're the man of honor. Dog of honor. All right, 1, 2, 3. Feed him.
Okay, here we go. You give it to Oso. You just give it to Oso. Go. Oh my goodness.
Look at Sam.
Bubbles and Sam will go after everybody.
That was awesome.
Make sure Osa's doesn't get eaten by anybody
look at
else.
Sam. She's just choking it down. She's not even chewing.
Bubbles and Sam are just insane when it comes to food.
Sam was trash can. But then it was really funny because everyone was like over here, and I look. Sam reaches in and gets a piece of a hot dog bun and then goes and hides and eats it. Like totally no one was looking. It was awesome. Yeah.